Hi, I am so excited to share with you my absolute favorite honey balsamic salad dressing. My kids absolutely love it and it's so super easy, so I'm just so excited to share this with you. So what you need is 1/3 of a cup of the best olive oil that you can find out there, 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Always try to get local raw honey for its enzymes and to help with allergies, etc. You need 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. You also need 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos. So there's a couple different ways to make it. I prefer using a Pyrex and a whisk because I like to get my hands in it, and it's really fun to see the emulsion that comes together once we start whisking in the olive oil. So simply put everything in a big Pyrex, and then you know what you can do? You can just put a lid on this and store it right in the refrigerator. So when you're making salad dressing, first you want to mix all your liquid ingredients. And then what makes the emulsion, what makes salad dressings really come together is just when you add the olive oil, start off really slowly. And you just want to keep going in a slow drizzle and whisking continually. And what this is going to be doing is making a really nice emulsion. And you're going to see at the end of all this how well it comes together. You can also use a food processor. Simply on the top part of it, if there's a little hole there, you want to pour your dressing in there. So, and some people use a shaker bottle. I prefer doing it by whisk because this comes together so fast and it's just so much fun just to really just make something from scratch that it comes together so easily, and you are absolutely going to love it. And see how it's starting already to thicken here. We're starting to get a nice emulsion. And as you start seeing the emulsion come together, you can start pouring it a little bit faster. Alrighty, so we just kind of keep this going here. It's super fast. My kids love it with vegetables on any kind of salad. They just love it so much they just dip all their vegetables in it. They just absolutely love it. I was really able to get my kids to eat a lot of salad with this salad dressing. So see at the end of it, see how it's really nice and thick here? We have a really nice emulsion. So that's the salad dressing that's my absolute favorite. Hope you enjoy.